So this question says the function f of t equals 60,000 times 2 to the t over 410 power gives the number of bacteria in a population t minutes after an initial observation. How much time in minutes does it take for the number of bacteria in the population to double? All right, so first of all, I want to know what is the initial population. So I'm going to say t is equal to 0, because at 0 minutes, we should be able to get the initial population. So that would be 60,000 times 2 to the 0 over 410, which of course is the same as 60,000 times 2 to the 0 power. 2 to the 0 power is equal to 1. So this all becomes 60,000. All right, so I know that f of 0 is 60,000. So in order for the population to double, right, so to double, we'd be moving up to 120,000. So what I'm going to now do is set this equation equal to 120,000. I'll say 120,000 is equal to 60,000 times 2 to the t over 410. So we're looking for a t-value that makes this statement true. So I can already figure out that 120,000 is just 60,000 times 2. So if I can make this exponent here equal to 1, then I achieve the 120,000 that I want. How do I make that exponent equal to 1? Well, if I set t equal to 410, then the exponent would be 410 divided by 410, which is 1, and we'd end up with 120,000 equals 60,000 times 2 to the first power, which is absolutely true. So t equaling 410 must be the correct answer. So I'm going to place that there. Of course, we could have done much more complicated math here at this stage. I could have divided both sides by 60,000. Could have used log or natural log in order to bring this t over 410 down into the front and out of the exponent. But I've never really seen a need for doing that on the SAT. So, while it's something that you may know how to do, I'm just saying that I've never actually seen a need for doing it on this test. So keep that in mind. Usually starting with the exponent equaling 0 is a good starting point with any question that has a variable in the exponent. And then that just kind of anchors you into like, what does it mean? What does this question mean at t equals 0 or x equals 0? Or whatever variable that is listed there equals 0. And then from there, you can figure out exactly what the question is asking you to find.